Hi there, if you are using ASUS products, then you might need to know the genuine source to get the drivers from. This video will show you the exact way to get your desired drivers and other tools downloaded from official ASUS support. Search for ASUS support in Google. Head to the first official support. Here you can use Download Center or can also browse through the product you have. Firstly, going to Through Products. I have a ASUS laptop. Series is ASUS TUF Gaming. Then the model. So, this is the laptop and all the required things for this product is listed below. Heading to Drivers and Tools. My OS is Windows 11. And here it shows all the necessary drivers I can get for the laptop model. These are officials and up-to-date. Networking, audio, graphics, Bluetooth, pointing device etc. drivers and toolkit is ready for you to download. Now, if I go back to Download Center, here it will ask you to enter product model or to enter product type. I have a graphics card with this series and model. And here are the drivers. So, this is how you can simply use official ASUS sources to get your required drivers and tools for the ASUS product you are using. Hope this helped you. Please be with us and also subscribe. Goodbye.